And they got flashed by dude.
La la.
And this is all on record for posterity.
Yes.
What?
George Lee.
I'm gonna go lay
George
down.
Lily. Lily. Hi, baby girl. What a big girl.
Cool.
Okay, let's go outside.
Chlorine hair.
Let's go outside and look
You gonna
at,
ride the bear?
look at the grill.
You gonna ride the bear?
Hi, baby.
Hey, sweetheart.
I love you.
I love you too.
Dude, what's up with that?
Orale.
Orale. What about the chili, dude?
I'm about to get up. I'm got a couple pieces all at once.
Chili. Hello, kitty cat. Look at the grill. Burgers with no binder, but cats have binders. Dude, get your burgers off ours.
Don't touch. This is Angus with the bacon and the cheddar built in. I'm wondering, should I just keep the asparagus in its little pouch?
Probably not a bad idea.
I generally put it right on the grill.
I don't know. For us, it's always easier to leave it in there.
It's easier. but
Perez Hilton
get
doesn't like
a
to put it in
nice
tin
good,
foil.
We're all gonna die of cancer anyway.
Mijo,
I like
it's
fries.
too early to be drinking beer.
It's noon somewhere.
I like to live the high life.
Edo, Elliot, Elliot, Elliot. Look at that big old smile. Grandma and Grandpa are gonna love this. Grandma and Grandpa are gonna love this. Oh man, look at me, I'm a boozer. I'm a boozer.
He wants a glass teeter.
That's not a bad idea.
I don't know.
As long as it's solid. If it's solid, they can't. I wouldn't think that they'd be able to break it.
One of the Tiffany teeters. Tiffany has sterling silver teeters.
Tiffany, like a silver, really?
How's that looking?
Yeah.
That's good. I mean, this one, especially.
Okay, well let's put some cheese on them.
Do you want me to flip?
Yeah, just to let me see it. Yeah, okay.
Keep
Let's
it.
put them up on the top and let's put some cheese on them. I'm gonna stop this.